Do you struggle with keeping your home clean and tidy? Managing a clean house can feel daunting, but fret not. Simple methods exist to simplify this process. With a few tweaks, maintaining tidiness becomes easy. Here are 10 easy tips that will transform your approach to cleanliness and organization. Firstly, establish a cleaning routine. This vital step ensures that your home stays spick and span. Designate specific times throughout the week to clean different areas. This way, you avoid a buildup of chores that can be overwhelming. Secondly, declutter regularly. Purge surplus items regularly for a tidy abode. This step simplifies cleaning. By regularly getting rid of items you no longer need, you'll simplify your cleaning process. The third tip is to use multifunctional cleaning products. These all-rounders reduce clutter. Versatile cleaners and multi-purpose sprays can tackle various surfaces, eliminating the need for a myriad of products. Fourthly, make it a habit to clean as you go. It's about tackling messes as they happen. This way, you prevent them from growing bigger, being tougher to clean up later. The fifth tip is to focus on high-traffic areas. Spaces such as the kitchen, living room, and bathroom are most used. Prioritizing these areas keeps your home looking fresh. Sixth, implement a one-in, one-out rule. This rule states that each new item brought into your space should coincide with one old item departing. This rule encourages balance and a clutter-free environment, fostering a more harmonious living area. This will help to maintain a balanced and clutter-free living space. Seventh, tackle small tasks daily. Break down big cleaning tasks. They become more manageable, less daunting. Eighth, don't be afraid to delegate chores. Sharing tasks can make everyone contribute to a tidy home. It makes the process quicker and more enjoyable. Ninth, invest in storage solutions. A clutter-free space is often a result of smart storage solutions. Storage is a true lifesaver in maintaining an organized abode. Proper storage can help keep clutter at bay and make it easier to maintain an organized home. Lastly, reward yourself. Celebrate successfully maintaining cleanliness. This greatly motivates you to upkeep your tidy living space. In conclusion, maintaining a clean and tidy home doesn't have to be a daunting task. By creating routines, decluttering regularly, using efficient cleaners, and focusing high-traffic areas, you can conveniently manage your living space. Tackling small tasks daily, delegating chores, and rewarding yourself for keeping up with the routine aids in maintaining cleanliness. Also, investing in storage solutions is beneficial. Remember, a little consistency and effort can lead to a clean, tidy, and inviting living space that you can truly be proud of.